Hello everyone, my name is Waqar Ali and I am student of Impulse Psychology at National Institute of Psychology, Qaid Azam University, Islamabad, Pakistan. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my poster in this conference. The title of my research poster is Impact of Student Pandemic Stressor on Student Aggression, the mediating role of adaptive and maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies. As we all know that university play important role in the development of student, but in university student also face different type of stressors such as financial strain, academic stress, etc. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the student stressor is enhanced. The student face different type of stressors such as online classes, study from home, not proper conventional classes, etc. So the COVID-19 pandemic play a catalytic role in the student stressors. During the stressor, the aggression level is also being increased. The study indicated that student stress is positively significantly correlated with the aggression. So, in the COVID-19 pandemic, the student stressor is increased, and also the student aggression is also increased. When people face different type of stressor, they use different type of cognitive emotional regulation strategy to deal with the stressor. In the COVID-19 pandemic, students face different type of stressor and also the stressor increase. So they use different type of cognitive emotional regulation strategy. Those who use cognitive emotional regulation strategies will adapt to the situation and maintain their positive emotion and down regulate their negative emotions. The study indicated that those who use maladaptive emotion regulation style have more past history of aggression than those who use adaptive emotional regulation strategies. If we look into the following graph, the data are collected from the US different states, and when there is lockdown, the data are collecting, and when there is not lockdown in different states. The red line shows that the aggression level when there is lockdown, it shows that the aggression level are increases. When there is no lockdown, the blue line shows that the aggression level when there is no lockdown. So if we compare these two lines, it's mean that when there is lockdown, the aggression level of the people increases. So the COVID-19 pandemic play important role in the level of enhance the level of aggression. If we look into the physical aggression, verbal aggression, anger, and hostility, if we compare these two lines, the red one and the blue one, the red one shows when there is lockdown, their aggression level is increases. And the blue one shows when there is no lockdown, the aggression level of the people. So comparing these two lines, it's mean during the COVID-19 pandemic, the lockdown enhanced the people aggression level. So looking to these things. The main objective of this study is to explore the mediating role of adaptive and maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies in relation to student stressor and aggression among university students during the COVID-19 pandemic. For this study, the instrument or use a student pandemic stressor scale and the student aggression questionnaire scale. So the data for this study are collected through online Google form, and the sample of this study is university sample. The result, the correlation analysis show that aggression is strongly positive correlated with student stressor and strongly positively correlated with the maladaptive regulation strategies as compared to adaptive correlation strategies. It's mean that student stressor and maladaptive coping regulation strategies enhance the student aggressions. If we look into the following charts, the chart show that how stressful student perceive classes, relationship with teacher, family, lockdown during the COVID-19 pandemic. If we look into this graph, the online study, student around about 13% of student perceive not stressful their online study. If we look into the back side of the picture, at about 87% of the students perceive their online studies as stressful. And looking to their relationship with teacher during the pandemic COVID-19, around about 26% students perceive not stressful relationship with their teachers, but during around about 70%, 74% students receive their relationship with students teacher stressful. It is because that there is no proper conventional classes. The classes are online due to which the student perceive their relationship with teacher as stressful. If we look into the social isolation or lockdown, around about 23% people students shows that the lockdown are not stressful for them. But if we look into the other, around about 78% students perceive that the lockdown are stressful for them. Relationship with their family, around about 45% of the students perceive their relationship with family is not stressful, but about 55% of the student perceive their relationship with family is stressful. It is because during the lockdown, the family are not so seriously taking the student because they are working from home, they are study from home, so they taking student as a casual. So that's why round about the student 55% student perceive the relationship between their lockdown relationship during the pandemic is stressful. The mediation analysis indicated that adaptive and maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies play a mediating role between student stress and aggression. The adaptive cognitive emotional regulation stress negatively predict student aggression, while maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies positively predict student aggression. And so it's also indicated that adaptive maladaptive emotional regulation strategies mediating the rule between student stressor and aggression. Those who use adaptive emotional regulation strategies are less aggressive than those who use maladaptive regulation strategies are more aggressive. So there is a partial mediation between student stressor and aggression. So the adaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies and maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies is partial mediating the relation between student stressor and aggression. So if we look into that those who use adaptive and maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies dealing with the stressor and aggression, those who use adaptive emotional regulation strategies are less aggressive than those who use maladaptive regulation strategies, and aggression is strongly correlated with student stressor and maladaptive emotional regulation strategies. So maladaptive emotional regulation strategies and stressor are enhance the student aggression. So for this, we considering that do need workshops or need uh, workshops and need suggestion to for the student to use adaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategy as compared to the maladaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies. Because the maladaptive cognitive emotional strategies will enhance the aggression, while the adaptive emotional regulation will decrease the aggressions. So the adaptive cognitive emotional regulation strategies play important role to deal with the stressor and adapt to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, and also regulate their positive emotion and down regulate the negative emotion to deal with the aggression. Thank you.